Hello, today we are going to assign external IP to VM instance using gcloud. Alright, so to be able to assign IP to a VM instance, we want to copy this string right here, and we'll go ahead and open a notepad. So we want to save it in here first because we are going to be needing it later. So we'll go ahead and we'll copy our region because we are going to be needing that also. So go ahead and paste this under the region section. Let's go over here and we're going to copy the lab zone. We'll go over to export zone area and we'll paste it in here. Okay, so we are not going to copy this. Copy or cut it, whichever one is okay by you, but I want to cut it because I might not be needing it again. So I pasted it in here, and let's go ahead and copy this string right here. So over here we're going to paste it here. Alright, so okay, so we'll paste this in here. So we'll just allow it to run rather, not all of them to, let's see. So once this is complete, so let's go ahead and check our progress for that to see how we've done so far. So we'll check our progress and we are going to wait for this to load up, and this has to be updated. Alright, so this is fine. Everything is fine with this. If you find this video helpful and you need further assistance, reach out to me through the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.